Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. In today's video, we are going to discuss some important MCQs from class 10 physics chapter Refraction of Light. So let's start. The first question is, refraction of light is option A, bending of light at a surface. Option B, reflection of light. Option C, dispersion of light. Option D, scattering of light. Correct answer is option A, bending of light at a surface. Next question is, refractive index of a medium is option A, ratio of speed of light in vacuum to that in medium. Option B, ratio of speed of light in medium to vacuum. Option C, reciprocal of speed. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is ratio of speed of light in vacuum to that in medium. Next question is, light that bends towards the normal when it passes from option A, optically rarer to denser medium. Option B, optically denser to rarer medium. Option C, vacuum to air. Option D, air to vacuum. Correct answer is optically rarer to denser medium. Next question is, light bends away from the normal when it passes from option A, rarer to denser medium. Option B, denser to rarer medium. Option C, air to glass. Option D, vacuum to water. Correct answer is denser to rarer medium. Next question is, laws of refraction were given by option A, Newton. Option B, Fermat. Option C, Snell. Option D, Huygens. Correct answer is option C, Snell. Next question is, Snell's law states that option A, sin I upon sin R is equals to constant. Option B, I is equals to R. Option C, I plus R is equals to 90 degree. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, sin I upon sin R is equals to constant. Next question is, the constant in Snell's law is option A, speed of light. Option B, refractive index. Option C, wavelength. Option D, frequency. Correct answer is refractive index. Next question is, refractive index of air is approximately option A, 1. Option B, 1.33. Option C, 1.5. Option D, 0.33. Correct answer is option A, 1. Next question is, Refractive index of water is approximately. Option A 1. Option B 1.33. Option C 1.5. Option D 1.66. Correct answer is 1.33. Next question is, refractive index of glass is approximately. Option A 1. Option B 1.33. Option C 1.5. Option D 1.66. Correct answer is 1.5. Next question is, the speed of light decreases in. Option A denser medium. Option B rarer medium. Option C vacuum. Option D air. Correct answer is option A denser medium. Next question is, critical angle is. Option A angle of incidence for total refraction. Option B angle of refraction is equals to 0 degree. Option C both A and B. Option D none. Correct answer is both A and B. Next question is, critical angle for water air interface is approximately. Option A 42 degree. Option B 48 degree. Option C 60 degree. Option D 90 degree. Correct answer is 48 degree. Next question is, optical fiber works on the principle of. Option A reflection. Option B refraction. Option C total internal reflection. Option D dispersion. Correct answer is total internal reflection. Next question is, refraction of light through prism causes. Option A reflection. Option B dispersion. Option C total internal reflection. Option D diffraction. Correct answer is dispersion. Next question is, angle of deviation in prism is minimum when. Option A incident ray perpendicular. Option B prism in minimum deviation position. Option C incident ray along base. Option D incident ray along height. Correct answer is prism in minimum deviation position. Next question is, refractive index depends on. Option A wavelength of light. Option B, temperature. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. Correct answer is both A and B. Next question is, convex lens converges light because. Option A, it is thicker at middle. Option B, it is thinner at middle. Option C, it is plane. Option D, none. Correct answer is it is thicker at middle. Next question is, concave lens diverges light because. Option A, thicker at edges. Option B, thinner at edges. Option C, plane. Option D, none. Correct answer is thinner at middle. Next question is, refractive index is ratio of. Option A, speed in medium, speed in vacuum. Option B, speed in vacuum upon speed in medium. Option C, angle of incidence upon angle of refraction. Option D, none. Correct answer is speed in vacuum upon speed in medium. Question is, refractive index of a diamond is approximately. Option A, 2.42. Option B, 1.33. Option C, 1.5. Option D, 2.0. Correct answer is 2.42. Next question is, lateral displacement occurs when. Option A, light passes obliquely through slab. Option B, light strikes normally. Option C, light is reflected. Option D, light is dispersed. Correct answer is light passes obliquely through slab. Next question is, light bends towards normal in. Option A, denser medium. Option B, rarer medium. Option C, vacuum. Option D, air. Correct answer is denser medium. Next question is, critical angle for glass air interface is approximately. Option A, 42 degree. Option B, 48 degree. Option C, 60 degree. Option D, 90 degree. Correct answer is 42 degree. Next question is, total internal reflection cannot occur in. Option A, air-water interface. Option B, water-air interface. Option C, glass-air interface. Option D, diamond-air interface. Correct answer is air-water interface. Next question is, optical fiber is used in option A, telephone cables, option B, endoscopy, option C, internet, option D, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Next question is, refraction occurs due to option A, change in speed, option B, change in direction, option C, both A and B, option D, none. Correct answer is both A and B. Next question is, convex lens forms real image when option A, object beyond focus, option B, object at focus, option C, object between focus and lens, option D, object at infinity. Correct answer is object beyond focus. Next question is, convex lens forms virtual image when option A, object beyond focus, option B, object at focus, option C, object between focus and lens, option D, object at infinity. Correct answer is object between focus and lens. Next question is, focal length of concave lens is option A, positive, option B, negative, option D, 0, option D, infinite. Correct answer is negative. Next question is, magnification by concave lens is option A, positive, option B, negative, option C, 0, option D, infinite. Correct answer is positive. Next question is, light undergoes minimum deviation in prism when option A, prism tilted, option B, angle of incidence is the angle of emergence, option C, prism rotated, option D, none. Correct answer is angle of incidence is equals to angle of emergence. Next question is, critical angle increases when option A, refractive index increases, option B, refractive index decreases, option C, light intensity increases, option D, none. Correct answer is refractive index decreases. Next question is, refractive index is always Option A, greater than 1. Option B, less than 1. Option C, equal to 1. Option D, 0. Correct answer is greater than 1. Next question is, ray of light bends more when? Option A, speed difference is large. Option B, speed difference is small. Option C, incident angle is equal to 0. Option D, all cases. Correct answer is speed difference is large. Light does not bend when? Option A, incident ray normal to surface. Option B, angle of incidence is equal to 90 degree. Option C, angle of refraction is equal to 0 degree. Option D, both A and C. Correct answer is both A and C. Next question is, ray of light emerging from denser to rarer medium at critical angle. Option A, travels along interface. Option B, bends into rarer medium. Option C, bends into denser medium. Option D, gets absorbed. Correct answer is travels along interface. Next question is, maximum total internal reflection occurs when? Option A, diamond air. Option B, glass air. Option C, water air. Option D, air water. Correct answer is diamond air. Next question is, refractive index is equal to sin I upon sin R. Here I is option A, angle of incidence. Option B, critical angle. Option C, D, deviation angle. Correct answer is angle of incidence. Next question is, refractive index is equal to sin I upon sin R. Here R is option A, angle of reflection. Option B, angle of incidence. Option C, critical angle. Option D, deviation angle. Correct answer is angle of refraction. Next question is, a concave lens always forms option A, real image. Option B, virtual erect diminished image. Option C, magnified inverted image. Option D, none. Correct answer is virtual erect diminished image. Next question is, prism disperses light because option A, refractive index depends on wavelength. Option B, speed is constant. Option C, incident angle is equal to 0. Option D, none. Correct answer is refractive index depends on wavelength. Next question is, light travels fastest in option A, glass. Option B, water. Option C, air. Option D, diamond. Correct answer is air. Next question is, light travels slowest in option A, air. Option B, water. Option C, glass. Option D, diamond. Correct answer is diamond. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.